Hello everyone, today I will talk about how to create quizzes, exams using Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Forms. Actually, you will design the whole quiz or exam using the Microsoft Forms and then link it to Microsoft Teams. But the students, they have just to sign in to Microsoft Teams in order to follow the link for the exam or the quiz. So let's start. Make sure that you installed the Microsoft Office. You have to go to the website of the university, and this is the icon related to Office 365. So click this icon and download the Office if you didn't do it before. After that, you have to sign in to Microsoft Teams. So just search Microsoft Teams and sign in. It's important to use your university email, and it's the same password for your email. And then you will see this window related to Microsoft Teams. It includes all the teams related to your courses, the activities, also the chat, the assignments, and here are the teams. So press teams, you can see all the teams you created to your courses. So let's go to one of these teams. Here you will see the posts, the files, the class notebook, the assignments, and the grades. So go to assignments and click create. You have to click quiz, so we are creating now a quiz. After that, you will see the different forms or quizzes, the tests you created using Microsoft Forms, and then you can link it to Teams. But let's stop here, and now we will go to Microsoft Forms to create the tests and return back to this page. As these quizzes or these tests I created before for my courses, and now let's go to Microsoft Forms. Search the Microsoft Office Forms, and then you have to sign in. It's very important to sign in using also your university email and the same password, because other than that you will not be able to link the forms to Microsoft Teams, so it will be just a waste of time. So please do this step and log into Forms. You will see this window, and let's click new quiz. Here we can give it a title. Let's say tests 2, and you can enter any description, and here it's add new, so you can add a new question. Here are the different options for the questions. So multiple choice, you can add the question, and the options, I will just write anything quickly as an example. And here you can, if this the correct answer, you can just click it. So you can do it again later on. You can choose to do the automatically grading, so it helps. And you can also click required if it's required to answer this question before the other coming questions. And if these two questions they are correct, then you can also press multiple answers and write the points related to this question. Here let's say 1. So it's done within the first question. Let's go to the second one. The second one is text, so they can answer within short answers or long answers. So write, for example, or compare anything. So, and you can choose the long answer here. If you want to insert any media, you have just to press this icon and insert an image or even a video. Also, you can write the points related to this question, say 3, and add a new. You have different options, rating, for example. You can choose how many levels and if this is required or not. Also the weight for it, for example 2 points. Add a new. So here also you have other options like they can upload a file or doing the ranking. So you can create any quiz or the exam you want. After that, press preview. So you can see how the students, they will see the exam if they are using their computer or mobiles. At the end, they have just to click submit. The most important thing actually is to press this icon here. It's settings, more form settings and settings. So option for quiz, this is the first one. Show results automatically. I never used it because usually the quiz or the exam has essay questions for short answers or long answers, so you have to grade it automatically, manually. And this is in case all the answers they are multiple choice. It's a good option, so leave it. Who can't fill out this form? Anyone with this link. It's better to leave it also without any click because it's better to select this one. Only the students in our organization can respond, and within recording their names, and also it's just one response per person. It's important because the students, they will not be able to answer the quiz twice or several times. It's very important also to press accept responses because if you didn't do that, they will not be able to submit the exam. You can also choose the start date within any date related to that quiz or exam, and also the hour and also the end date, so the duration of the exam or the quiz. Here it's very nice option, the shuffle questions. You can do it for the all questions or just for a few questions. You can choose the range, so I think it's better to have it for all questions. You can also add a customized thank you message at the end, and you can enter anything. And the notification, so if you press this one, they will send an email to the students when they submitted the exam. And if you want to get a notification email of each response, you can also click this option. So these are the most important things. Also here you can choose or change the theme, and you can also upload a new photo or picture, so you can, for example, change it, and that's all. So it's saved on Forms within test 2, and we want to link it to Microsoft Teams. So now back to Microsoft Teams, click the course you want to create the quiz for it, and click assignments. After that, you have to just click create and select quiz. You will see now the quiz we already created using the Microsoft Forms. It's test 2. Now it's linked to Teams. Select next, and you can change the name of it and enter any instructions for the students. Here is the form we created on Microsoft Forms, the related information like the points. It's related to this course, or the students can answer it, or you can choose just specific students. And the due date, you can also select it. It's important to press save after that, and you will see this exam under drafts. It's exam number 1. You can edit it anytime, but once you click assign, the students, they will get messages, notifications that they have to start answering the exam or the quiz. So it's important not to press it immediately, just if you are sure that everything is 100% correct. The students, they will see this assignments on posts, and I will show you one of the previous quizzes. It's here, for example. They will get view assignments. When you click the view assignments, they can answer the different questions. You as instructor, you will see the answers, and you can grade it also using the Microsoft Teams. And actually that's all regarding creating a quiz or test using Teams and Forms. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and to contact me anytime. Thank you.